Okay, so here is the front door, and there's just like a little area right here. And then once you turn around, here are the steps that lead up to the apartment. So let's go up and I'll show you the rest of the apartment. So once you come up the stairs, here is our like dining area. It's not the largest area. They told us that the upstairs apartment has the smallest dining room area, but that's okay because we don't really use our dining room table that much anyways. And then as soon as you look to your right, here is the kitchen. Let me turn on the lights. Okay, so here's the kitchen. This little closet right here is gonna be like where we put the vacuum, broom, mops, things like that. It's just like a utility closet. And then right over here is the kitchen. Here's our fridge. All the appliances are black. Here's the inside. It's all new and clean. And we have an ice maker inside the freezer. And there's cabinets on the top and all these over here. Oh, you can see me. And there's the stove and microwave, and then cabinets all around here, and the sink. And then above the sink, there's a wine rack. And I thought that was really cool because even though I don't drink a lot of wine, I think it looks fancy. So I like that. There is a ton of cabinet space, which I love. And then here's like my favorite part of the kitchen, this humongous island. I am so in love with this island. We're gonna put our dining room chairs here because they're counter height. So I'm going to paint those and use those as like bar stools. And then right over here is the living room, which is a really, really good size. And we're gonna mount the TV on this wall. And I think we're gonna have the couch like go along this wall, kind of facing the TV. And then I like this little area over here. It's like a little nook. And this is where we're going to put the computer desk. So it does not have to be in our bedroom anymore because I hate having the computer in the bedroom. And then it's got nice big windows. And then right here is a door to go outside on the balcony. And I'll show you guys that real quick. Oh, it's a push, just kidding. So here is the balcony. I'll stand over here in the corner so you guys can see how big it is. It is a really, really nice size. And we have a view of the lake, which is nice. We don't have to look out on the road or anything. And then here's one of the windows. This is a bedroom. So let's go back inside and I'll show you guys the rest. And then right here, these doors on the left are the washer and dryer. And this unit does come with brand new washer and dryers, which is really awesome. And it has a rack up there so you can hold like dishwasher, not dishwasher, laundry detergent and stuff like that. So yeah. And if you go over here to the left, this is the master bedroom. Has a nice big window, which I love. I also like that every room comes with a ceiling fan and a light combo. I really like that. And then right here to the left is our walk-in closet. And it's got two racks, which is nice. Kind of like an L shape. It's not too big, but not too small. I think that John and I's stuff will fit really nice in here. And then here is our master bathroom. So it has a tub and shower combo. I like that it has the curved curtain rods, or no, shower curtain rods. And then just like the toilet and the bathroom vanity. I wish it had two sinks, but one is fine. And then it has a jumbo mirror. I look a hot mess, don't judge, but I love the big mirror in here. I'm so excited. Oh my God, I look disgusting. But yeah. I love the big mirror. I think it's amazing. And I forgot to show you guys the floor. Well, I'm sure you saw it in the living room, but the floor in the kitchen, living room, and all the bathrooms is like a wood laminate, I believe. So if we leave our bedroom and go down the hall this way, here is a linen closet, just like a standard linen closet for like towels, sheets, things like that, whatever. And then this room right here is going to be Carter's room. And I love that it has this little like nook. I think it's so cute. So like, it's not just, you know, like a boxy room. And his is a really decent size. He doesn't need a big room because he's only 40 small. So, and he has a standard closet, which is just like one like this. Here, let me open up the other side. So he has a standard closet, which has 2 shelves, which I think is really nice because we can put like his toys and stuff in there. And I will show you guys their bathroom. So if you come back out to the hallway and then go straight across, this is their bathroom, and they've got the same style bathroom as we do with a shower and tub combo and the big mirror, which I love. So last but not least, let me take you out and show you Jada's room, which is like right across the hall from ours. Here's her room. It's a really nice size, and she's got a big window, which her window looks out to the lake, which I know she'll really like. And she's going to love that she has a walk-in closet. It's just like a smaller version of ours, but I know she's really gonna like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is our empty apartment tour. We're gonna stop by the house now and then go do like our first load and start moving stuff in, and I'm so excited.